Hey everyone, welcome to the video on symbol table and error handling in compiler design. When I write code, I just want it to work, right? But behind the scenes, the compiler is doing some serious heavy lifting, turning my code into machine language. Ever wondered how it keeps track of all those variables, functions, and finds my silly mistakes? That's where symbol tables and error detection step in. So what exactly is a symbol table? Think of it as the compiler's little black book. It stores every identifier, like variable names, function names, class names, basically anything I use in my code. The symbol table is central for things like type checking, figuring out which variable belongs to which part of my code, and even during code generation. Let me break down what's inside a symbol table. First, there's the name, like EX or main. Type, maybe it's an int or float. Scope, it tells me if it's local or global. Memory location, where it's stored. And line numbers, so I can debug faster if something goes wrong. During semantic analysis, the compiler uses this table to check types and ensure every identifier is declared before it's used. Later, when generating code, the symbol table helps assign memory addresses. Without it, the compiler would be totally lost. Now, about error detection. This is where compilers show their real power. If I forget to declare a variable or mess up a data type, the compiler is quick to point it out. These are syntax or semantic errors, and catching them early saves so much headache. The main errors compilers handle are syntax errors like missing semicolons, semantic errors such as type mismatches, lexical errors, maybe I used an invalid character, and sometimes even potential runtime errors. But what about error recovery? Compilers use strategies like panic mode, skipping over problematic code or phrase-level recovery, making small fixes on the fly. Sometimes they add special error productions in the grammar or try global corrections, though that's rare. In summary, symbol tables are the backbone of compilers. Error handling makes sure my code runs as expected, even when I mess up. Understanding these gives me an edge as a programmer and helps me appreciate how compilers work. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, share and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be sure to check them out. Until next time, happy coding.